I am Viviana Catena. I am Jorge Catena's daughter. I am fourth generation in a traditional wine family from Argentina. Since we were a child, my father transmitted us all the passion that he has in wine and winemaking. His grandfather came from Italy 100 years ago, and at that time he started in Mendoza the tradition of our wine family. Ricominciare is a new winery with ancient traditions. In 2006 we started with our Ricominciare winery, and at that year we produced 15,000 liters. This year, 2012, we produced 47,000 liters. Although we are going to increase our production, we want to continue having all the care that we are going to take in on making our wine. Well, for Ricominciare, when Wine Stars competition or entering the UK wine market, it's going to be very important. United Kingdom wine market is the most sophisticated market in wines in the world, and we believe that if you believe that our wine suits in the UK market, it will be a great honor for us to be there. If we are listed by a buyer in the UK market, it will be a great challenge for us to work together. We believe that buyer and winery have to work together in the same direction. And we are going to provide all our winery culture, and the buyer is going to provide all the UK wine codes, so we can do a great job and do best buys that we can. If we are listed by a buyer in the UK wine market, it will be a challenge for Ricominciare. We believe that buyer and the winery must work together in the same direction. So, the buyer is going to give us all the UK wine codes, and we are going to give the buyer all our winery culture. So we can work together and make a plan to do the better business.